Question number 176. Tunica interna of arteries and veins is composed of. What is tunica interna? Tunica interna of blood vessel is the innermost layer of blood vessel, and this tunica interna is internally lined by simple squamous epithelium, which means this tunica interna of arteries and veins is composed of epithelium tissue. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, that is epithelial tissue. Let's discuss other options also. The very first option given is smooth muscle, and this is an incorrect option because tunica interna is made up of epithelium tissue and not muscular tissue. The next option given is involuntary muscle, so this is also an incorrect option, and striated muscle, so this is also an incorrect option because all three options, that is smooth muscle, involuntary muscle and striated muscles, are example of muscle tissue and not of epithelium tissue. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 177. Serum differs from blood in the. Now we know that blood composed of plasma and formed elements, and this plasma without clotting factor is known as serum. So serum differs from blood in. The very first option given is presence of fibrinogen, and this is an incorrect option because serum lack fibrinogen, which is a clotting factor. The second option is absence of fibrinogen, and this is a correct answer to our question because serum lack this clotting factor fibrinogen, and that's how it is different from blood, which contains clotting factors. The next option given is absence of albumin and absence of gamma globulin, and these are incorrect options because albumin and gamma globulin are the plasma proteins and these are present in serum. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 178. Mark the incorrect statement with respect to human mature RBCs. Now, human mature RBCs, they lack nucleus and mitochondria and perform anaerobic respiration. So the very first option, that is lack nucleus and mitochondria, as it is a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer to our question. The second statement is have carbonic anhydrase, and as it is also a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Carbonic anhydrase is an enzyme which is present in high concentration in RBCs, and it facilitates the conversion of carbonic acid into hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion and formation of this carbonic acid from water and CO2. The next statement given is transport CO2 as carbaminohemoglobin, and as it is also a correct statement, so this is an incorrect option because we know that CO2 is transported in dissolved form in plasma, which is nearly about 7%. Then as bicarbonate ions, which is nearly about 70%. And then by RBCs as carbaminohemoglobin, which is nearly about 20 to 25%. So this is a correct statement and cannot be a correct answer to our question. The last statement is undergo aerobic respiration during strenuous exercise, and as this is an incorrect statement, so this is a correct answer to our question because mature RBCs, they undergo anaerobic respiration as they do not have mitochondria. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 179. Choose the correct option with respect to first heart sound. And first heart sound is what? First heart sound is lub sound. And with L, it is of longer duration than second heart sound and of low frequency or lower frequency than second heart sound. Second heart sound is dub. This is first heart sound. And dub is second heart sound. Let's discuss the options. First option is produced by opening of AV valve, and this is an incorrect option because first heart sound or lub sound is produced when there is closure of AV valve during ventricular systole. The next option given is shorter duration than second heart sound, and this is also an incorrect option because it is of longer duration than second heart sound. The next option given is known as dub sound, and this is also incorrect because it is known as lub sound and not dub sound. Dub sound is the second heart sound. The last option given is produced during ventricular systole, and as it is a correct statement, so this is a correct answer to our question because first heart sound or lub sound is produced during ventricular systole when there is closure of AV valve in order to prevent the backflow of blood from ventricles to atria. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 180. Complete double circulation is the characteristic feature of all. And we know that complete double circulation is a characteristic feature of all mammals. So correct answer is option number 4. On the other hand, the very first option, amphibians, and second option, reptiles, they will have incomplete double circulation. Whereas fishes, this is an incorrect option because fishes have single circulation and not double circulation. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. So with this question, I would like to end up the discussion of this AIATS paper. I hope all your doubts and queries have been solved regarding this paper. Thank you very much for watching and all the best.